Can't really see good, but there's a nail in the trunk right now. Yeah. Gotta get everything out the trunk. Stop peeking here. This side. Pull it fast. Go ahead. Pull. Tongues like the things. Be careful. Oh, first catch. Oh, stop dripping on me. Oh, all right. Oh, we're gonna let him go. You got a little baby in there. So we're out here. Crabbing. So I lost my crab trap. My favorite one, the best one, popped off, y'all. So we're down to one trap right now. The trap that we lost is over here. I don't know if you can see it from this view, but it's right there. Right there. So they have them a free meal. But yeah, we still have our other traps out, so we're gonna make the most of our day and just enjoy the good vibes. So this is how you can tell when it's low tide. See all the oyster beds down there. Low tide right now. Pull them up.
Come on, go with the tongs.
Ready? All right. We'll check in.
Is the ice gonna hurt them? Being on top of them? That's one of the big ones? Or is this the good one?
I'm gonna measure from this end to that end.
About
So it's about a little over 6 inches. A little over 6 inches. So that's decent. Okay, let me see. So he is like almost right at 6 inches. So yeah, that's a pretty good size one. We did all right. You know, it could have been a little better, but we're about to go ahead and just head out and cook the ones that we got. So we're gonna do a catch, clean, and cook, and I'll update you guys later. Bye.